If your cars don't have an armrest and a cup holder in the back seat or the front seat, you might need this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my cars. Your back seat in your car might be a bench seat. You remember those? It's where you'd get it on in high school. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the last time I ever got it on. Oh, Father O'Malley, I miss you. Listen, I just picked this up, and it's an armrest. It's kind of quilted vinyl. I'm almost positive because this thing is not expensive. And it has a cup holder right there. And it looks like a slot to put your cell phone so you can entertain yourself. Watch some videos too. Let me show it to you. All right, so I'm looking at this armrest, and it actually kind of blows my mind how clever it is, and kind of makes me wonder why automakers aren't doing some of this stuff. So first of all, we get this tan color here. You can get them in some different colors. Nice black will probably match everything. You can see it's stitched there. Probably looks nicer than the stitching in your car. In fact, nobody has diamond stitching except for the really high-end cars, and so it's probably going to stand out a little bit from that. But the materials feel pretty good, but you can see here they are essentially a vinyl. We've got kind of these dog ear flaps that hang off to the side, and there are some big pockets right there. So you can put your phone in there, you can put some electronics in there, you could put charging cables, I don't know, whatever you want. Then what we have right here is this plastic cup holder. You can see it's just kind of like binocular shaped here. And we also get this foam insert that sits on the bottom. And that's presumably one to make it a little easier to clean, but also keep it from knocking around, right? You don't want to have a bunch of sound in there. And then we also have a foam piece that's in the bottom here on this slot. And it's brilliant. This slot is in front of the cup. So you don't have your phone sitting up like this. You can see your text messages, watch video, listen to podcasts, whatever you want. Then up here, and this is what I wasn't expecting, is this little chrome ring hides this little empty spot under here for Kleenexes or napkins. So we've got a pack of napkins, which it came with, but I would almost put one of those little handy travel Kleenex boxes in there. That's pretty cool, but you always need napkins, right? Who doesn't? Then on the flip side, we have a little bit of dotted, kind of a silicone here, so it'll be a little grippy. I wouldn't call it super grippy or anything like that, but then we have two big elastic bands there, so you can strap this and slide it over the armrest that you have in your car. And I'll be honest, it's kind of nice, say, in the driver's seat to have that cup holder right there, right in front of you. So I could definitely see you using this in the front seat. You know, I was kind of thinking this would be something I would just put in the back seat where I don't necessarily have an armrest or a cup holder, but you could use it in the front seat too. So that is pretty cool. I love the fact that you could slip it over right there. Obviously, this is going to fit differently in different cars, but I want to just give you some dimensions before I sign off here so that you can decide if it's going to fit for you. From side to side here, it's just about 8¼ inches, and from front to back there, we're looking at 13½ inches. So that's what you got there. So you're going to want to have an armrest that obviously is going to be the right size to hold this down. And obviously, you know, you don't want it moving around, but that's what we get here. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. So if you want to pick this up, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.